everyone, I'm Elise and I'm here today to talk to you some more about Gutenberg. Beyond just using blocks to create your content now, Gutenberg also introduces some other cool features. First, let's take a look at the difference between the classic editor and the new Gutenberg editor. Here on the classic editor, you'll see that there's a lot of underutilized space. With the new Gutenberg editor, however, you'll notice that all of this space is now devoted to creating your content. Gutenberg offers a number of different view options. For instance, normally when you select a block, you'll see your different options here above the block. However, if you select the top toolbar block, all of your options stay locked in this one position. You can also enable spotlight mode, which is going to highlight just the block that you're working on. And then you can also use the full screen option. You can even click the gear symbol here to remove your sidebar for a complete full view option. Gutenberg allows you to use any combination of these views that you'd like. Another new fun little touch in Gutenberg is the drop cap option. Enabling the drop cap enlarges just the first letter of your paragraph in your paragraph block. This only applies to the block you're currently working on, so you can turn it on in other paragraphs if you'd like. However, it's not going to do this automatically to every paragraph. There is now a new content structure section here as well that gives you a word count, counts your headings, paragraphs, and the blocks that you're using in this post or page. Just like with your classic editor, Gutenberg allows you to switch between your visual editing and your HTML editor. When working with blocks, if you select the advanced option in the right-hand column, you now have the option to add a CSS class. This allows you to create custom CSS for just this block. If you've been working with a block and realize that it's the wrong type of block, you can easily switch this with Gutenberg. You would just use this transform option to change your block type without having to start over from scratch. For those of you used to using programs such as Slack that have slash commands, Gutenberg now has this option too. For instance, if you type /head, it's going to bring up the heading option so that you can create a new header in your text. Speaking of headers, with Gutenberg now, under the Advanced tab, when you're working with your headers, you can add an HTML anchor to them. This allows you to send your readers to a specific section within your post or page so that they don't have to search for themselves through an entire article. These are just some of the cool new features you can expect to see in Gutenberg. But please keep in mind that Gutenberg is actually still under development and hasn't been released yet, so you still may see some changes from what we're looking at today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.